Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Abdul GHaffar. My name 341230008. I am from Mechanical Engineering, Night A1. Currently, I want to explain about machining. Okay, the first machining. Machining is term used to describe a variety of material removal process, cutting or shearing, in which a cutting tool removes unwanted material from a workpiece to produce the discrete shape. The workpiece is typically cut from a larger piece of stock, which is available in a variety of standard shapes such as flat sheets, solid rectangular bar, hollow tubes, and shaped E-beams. Machining can also be performed on a existing part, such as casting or forging. There are three basic types of machining: milling, turning, and drilling, with tier variant. Okay, the first, milling. The milling process requires a milling machine, workpiece, fixture, and cutter. The workpiece is a piece of pre-shaped material that is secured to the fixture, which itself attached to a platform inside the milling machine. The cutter is cutting tool with sharp teeth that is also secured in the milling machine and rotation at high speed. Milling is typically used to produce parts that are not axially symmetric and have many features, such as holes, slot, pickpockets, and even three-dimensional surface control. Okay, next to operation. The following operation are defined by the type of cutter used and the part of the cutter to remove material from the workpiece. Types of tool and milling operation: A. Solid with a strike tooth side milling cutter, solid slotting with a consistent slotting saw, planing milling, the angel milling, en from milling, G straddle milling, profile milling with an milling. The cutters listed above often have the teeth coated with different material to provide additional wear resistance. Tool wear can also be reduced by spraying lubrication and or coolant on the cutter and workpiece during milling. A horizontal milling machine uses a cutter that is mounted and a horizontal shaft called an elbow. Above the workpiece, the elbow is supported on one side by an overarm, which is connected to the column, and on the other side by the spindle. The spindle is driven by a motor and therefore rotator and a bore. During milling, the cutter rotates along a horizontal axis, and the side of the cutter removes material from the workpiece. Next, files alignment. In the setting up of the files onto the machine table, the fixed jaw of the files must be set parallel to the machine table using a parallel bar and an ideal indicator. Adjustment can only be made by using a hammer to correct its position such that a near zero indicator movement is achieved at all position along the parallel bar. Set up correct use of holding device and a good setup are of critical importance in achieving a safe, accurate, and efficient operation of the machine. Large workpiece can be mounted directly onto the machine table by means of tenons, and screw, while small workpieces are usually held by machine files. In either case, a dial indicator is used for alignment checking. Next, turning. Turning is a form of machining a material remove process which is used to create rotational part by cutting away unwanted material. The turning process requires a turning machine of lathe, workpiece fixture, and cutting tool. The workpiece is a piece of pre-shaped material that is secured to fixture, which itself is attraction to turning machine and allow it to rotate at high speed. The cutter is typically a single point cutting tool that it's also described in the machine, although some operation makes use of multi-point tools. The cutting tools fit to enter rotating workpiece and cut away material in the form of small chips to create the described shape. Turning is used to produce rotational, typically symmetric parts such as holes, grooves, threads, tapers, various diameter steps, and even controlled surface. Turning is also commonly used as a secondary process to add or refine feature and part that were manufactured using a different process. The operational may be classified an external or internal. External operational modify the outer diameter of the workpiece, while internal operational modify the inner diameter. Internal operations are drilling, boring, ramming, and tapping, and external operations are turning, fishing, grooving, tearing, thread cutting, and cut off. Okay, next, manual lathe. Cutting tools there that are used in turning can be found in a variety of materials, which will determine the properties and the workpiece materials of which is which it is best suited. These properties include the tool hardness, tautness, and resistance to wear. The most common tool material that are used include the following: high speed steel, is carbon steel, called the high speed steel. The material of the tools is chosen based upon a number of factors, including the material of the workpiece, tool's life. Tool life is an important characteristic. This is considered when selecting a tool, as a greatly affects the manufacturing costs. A short tool life will not only require additional tools to be purchased, but will also require time to change to pull each time it becomes too warm. Okay, next, drilling. Drilling is a process of producing round holes in a solid material of and enlarging existing holes with the use of multi-point cutting tools called drill or drilling bits. Various, various cutting tools are available for drilling, but the most common is the twist drilling. A variety of drilling process are available to serve different purposes. Drilling is used to drilling around, blind, or through hole in a solid material. Core drilling is used to increase the diameter of an existing hole. Step drilling is used to drill a stepped multi-diameter hole in a solid material. Counterboring provides a stepped hole again, but with flat and perpendicular relative to hole axis face. To hole is used to set internal hexagonal board height. Countersinking is similar to counterboring, except that the step in consequence from flat head screw. Reaming operation is usually meant to slightly increase the size and to provide a better tolerance and surface finish of an internally drilling hole. The tool is called a reamer. Central drilling is used to drill a starting hole of precisely define the location for subsequent drilling operation. The tool is called central drill that's a trick soft and very short fluid. Gun drilling is the specific operation to drill holes with very large leg to diameter ratio up to 300. Okay, let's safety. The first, always use the guard. Second, wear goggles when drilling material. Third, calm the material down or use a machine vise. For never hold materials by hand while drilling. 5. Always allow the chipping to clear the drill by drilling a small amount at a time. And last one, follow a teacher instruction careful.